Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're going to act fast. First, confirm Windows updates are installed and that Office shows a valid license. Once done, restart the PC to clear locked files. Make sure all other Office apps are closed and signed out. This prevents profile conflicts. Next, run Word as administrator to rule out permission issues. You'll see why. Updates, permissions, and account status are common root causes that block Word from launching or saving documents. Now dig into the middle work. Repair Office via Control Panel, try Quick Repair first, then Online Repair if problems persist. This replaces corrupted program files. Disable COM add-ins to rule out extensions causing crashes, and restart Word between changes. If Word still misbehaves, create a fresh Windows user profile and test Word there to isolate a profile-level issue. These steps address file corruption, extension conflicts, and user-specific settings that commonly break Word functionality. Finish with advanced remediation. If repairs fail, uninstall Office, reboot, and reinstall from your Microsoft account to ensure clean binaries. Reset the default template by renaming Normal. Datum to Normal. Old to eliminate template corruption that prevents startup. If Word still crashes, run Word in safe mode and collect event viewer logs to identify failing modules. One key troubleshooting tip. If repeated issues occur, test on another machine or cloud-based Word to confirm whether the fault is device or account specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.